My name is Preston Witt. I work for Harmony House Incorporated. We're a homeless nonprofit organization who houses, of course, homeless individuals that are currently living on the streets. Working with the homeless means the world to me. My team and I are able to interact with clients living on the street and finding suitable homes for them to live in and a safe environment for them to recover. We provide the necessary case management and help to stabilize individuals. But this work is not the act of one individual, but the commitment and dedication of a community of service providers and local government. To achieve ending homelessness in our community and committing our community that homelessness shall be rare, brief, and non-reoccurring. My work is my life, but my journey began in 2003 when my partner Jesse was in need of a new pair of shoes. I'm sorry. We had just purchased a new pair of shoes for him, and there was a homeless guy on the corner of Allen Parkway and Montrose, and he made me stop the car. He took the shoes out. He asked the guy what size shoes he wore, and he said a 12. And so Jesse had just bought these new shoes, and he stopped, had me stop, and he took his shoes off, and he gave them to the guy. He took his socks off and gave him his socks as well, and apologized to him for having had worn the socks. And that really changed my life. It started my journey. His commitment to serving homeless folks was just amazing. And it changed my life. It made those people visible to me at that moment. Jesse died 4 months later of health complications. And he is and will always be my hero. I am humbled and honored to be considered for this award. I don't consider my work to be heroic. This was quite a shock to me. Out of all the amazing heroes in this amazing, large, and diverse community, to see my name as an unsung hero is hard for me to process. I couldn't do this without the help of my team and my partner, Chris. But I wouldn't be here if it were not for the clients that I serve. My clients are the true unsung heroes. They have gone through more than most of us will ever go through in our lifetime. And to see them recapture life is the most amazing experience that any of us can ever encounter. So I thank the community, and I thank my homeless folks for nominating me for this award. Thanks.